Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're looking at another low mintage coin, and that being the 2015 100 Years of Anzac $1 coin. So there were, from the years 2014 through to 2018, the mint came out with 5 of these coins, each the same, the only difference being the date. So 2014 through to 2018, but this is the 2015 one. So the 2015 one was the lowest minted of the 5. 2017 also was a lower minted year, but 2015 is the most sought after in the group of 5. As we'll have a look right now, we'll have a look at the mintages for all 5 of these coins, and once again we're using the Australian Mint website, which is great because we can have a look at all the mintages for each of the decimal currency since 1966. So as we scroll down, we'll get down to 2014. Alright, there we have it there. So we can see in 2014 there was 21.9 million of these ones made, and just below it there we have the 2015, and that's at 1.4 million. Now in 2014 we also had the low mintage Mob of Ruse at just over 1 million. Check my video on that one. But they also made a lot of these guys. So in 2015, they also made the Mob of Ruse, and we can see that there, which was 22.3 million. But they didn't make many of the 100 Years of Anzac at only 1.4 million. So if we scroll down further, we can check the other mintages for the other ones. So in 2016, 2.19 million. But then we had the low mintage changeover coin, which check my video on that one if you haven't seen that. And they also made a lot of Mob of Ruse, just over 30 million of that one. The 2017, 1.9 million. And the 2018 is it's an unconfirmed number yet, so they know that they at least made 2 million of those in the first 6 months of the financial year. And the report will come out usually in November of 2019. So we still have to wait for the final figure on that one. But most likely it's going to be around that sort of figure. So so that's one to look out for as you search through your $1 coins. Make sure you keep these ones. So I've checked recent sales on eBay for this one, $4 to $5 each. For a while there, these things were selling for ridiculous prices because they were very difficult to find, and they didn't start really coming into circulation until late in 2015. So a lot of people were sort of panicking, and that really pushed the price up. And I did see some of these individual coins at that time were selling for over $100 each. So once the mintage was actually put out there and people did find them in circulation, it brought the prices down. But still, it's a good little return for a $1 coin to get 5 out of it. So well worth looking for and well worth keeping, and you'll certainly want one for your collection. Alright guys, let me know in the comments if you've found these ones, and if you've had trouble finding them. But keep looking guys, and you will find them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I look forward to bringing another video soon.